Hey guys, Spencer here with Albers Air Conditioning. I wanted to introduce our indoor air quality bundle. Some of our existing customers may have these in their house already. For some new viewers, this might be something that you'd be interested in putting into your system. We've got 3 products here. We like to use kind of a 3-step process in purifying the air in your home. We want to be able to capture particles, kill particles, and also clean the air in the house. The filter that I have right here is our Practical Pleat. Advantages over a basic filter. This is actually 5 inches thick as opposed to your standard 1-inch filter. It does a lot better of a job of capturing the fine dust particles and dirt particles in your house. And it also puts a lot less air restriction on your system. Some smaller 1-inch filters, they do a pretty good job of capturing particles, but they also restrict the air quite a bit while doing so. So this is kind of the best of both worlds. You've got something that lasts for 6 months. It captures your fine dust particles, but it doesn't put a bunch of air restriction on your system. The second product that we have here is an ultraviolet lamp. This actually mounts in the indoor cooling coil or the indoor portion of your air conditioning system. That in an AC system is a dark, wet, confined space. It's an area where mildew, growth, mold spores, they just form. It's basically essentially a petri dish for mildew and growth to form. This lamp mounts in that section, treating it with UV light, kills particles, kills spores, kills mildew. That will improve the air quality in your house. It also protects your equipment and your ductwork by keeping that area clean. And last, the air scrubber. This is kind of the last piece that puts everything together. This piece is designed to act as a whole house air purifier to purify the air in your house. It reduces odors. It kills bacteria and germs. So unlike, a lot of people are familiar with like your standalone room purifiers, this is mounted in the main air distribution box of your duct system, so we can actually treat your whole house with this product rather than having to use an individual air cleaner in each room. So when you combine all 3 of these together, you have, once again, you've got a product that captures, kills, and purifies. It's a great combination. We sell these components individually if you're looking at maybe just wanting to put 1 or 2 of these. But we also offer this as a bundle package where you can save $250 by purchasing all 3 of them at the same time. If you'd like to have more information, you can give us a call at our office or message us through our website. Thanks for following, thanks for viewing. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Thanks.